my video about comparative adjectives. What are comparative adjectives? Comparative adjectives are words we use when we are comparing things or a person. First of all, you'll have to know what a noun is. You use a noun for a person, a place, or a thing. And adjectives are words that describe a noun. So, for example, this is a red flower. So the noun is our flower, and we do have the adjective, and the adjective is red, so we have a red flower. First of all, we'll have a look at comparisons with one syllable. So these are the short adjectives. Here in the picture you can see an old ship. This is an older ship. And here you see the oldest ship. So we have older, the oldest. The endings ER, and here we have the ending the oldest or oldest EST. Another example. Here we've got a fast car. But this car is even faster. And here we have the fastest car. So this is the comparative form, and we call this third form the superlative form. Now we'll come to the next point, the comparisons with two or more syllables, so longer adjectives. For example, this is an expensive house. But this house is more expensive. And this house is the most expensive. So longer adjectives you compare with more and the most. Now we'll have a look at comparisons of the same things. Here we've got two boats. So these boats have the same age. Now we can say this boat is as old as that boat. You can also compare different things. The pool on the left is not as big as the pool on the right. Or this Porsche is faster than the Mini Cooper. So here we use as, and if it's negative, you'll need a not. And here we have faster than. And if things are less, for example, interesting, we say this is less interesting and the least interesting. There are 3 exceptions that you have to remember and you have to learn them. These exceptions are for good, bad, much, and many. So we have good, better, the best. We have bad, worse, the worst. And much or many, more, the most. Our last point are some specifics. First of all, you have to double the consonant after a short vocal. For example, you say big, bigger, the biggest. So the consonant after short vocal doubles. Another example would be hot, hotter, the hottest. Also here we have a double T. Another thing that you have to remember is that a Y changes into an I if the adjectives end on an Y. For example, if you have the adjective dry, it changes into an I. And here we had the Y. Or funny, funny, funnier, the funniest. So this was my video about comparative adjectives.